Welcome traders, Patrick Ed Trader, trading123.net. In this video, we're going to talk about the day's trades here on Thursday, July 29th, 2021. And we're trading the NQ. So before we get started, I want everyone to go to our website, visit our website, trading123.net. We just put a newsletter, sign up, and discount form on the website, which we never had before. We do have a newsletter for the members of the Auto Trader, but not for the general public. So sign up for the newsletter and keep in touch with us regarding new software that will be coming out within the fall, some new indicators, trading tips, discounts on software is always a good one. So be sure to go to that and you'll see a pop-up at our website that pops up, and just put in your email address and you're off and running. So we're trading NQ here on Thursday, and from over my 20 years of trading experience, I've found that Thursday is the best day of the week to trade. Why is that? Because that's when most of the institutional volume goes to work, and that's the way the market works. So we're trading, as we do always, 3 contracts, a stop of 22 because the NQ's been a little fast lately, and we're going for a goal of 800. And the reason for that is the market is in these wide ranges, as you see from the chart. You know, that's 3 minutes worth of price action, and we're up and down, up and down. So you going to run the Auto Trader and make 400, or do you want to make 800 or 1,000? So we elected to go for 800. And we start the Auto Trader, wait for the market to open. We don't want to start it right at 9:30 when the market opens. That's for newbies, and it makes no sense doing that. So we wait for the market to open to see this number 1, the price action. Is it trending up, trending down? How fast is the NQ going? Because it can be fast. If it's too fast, we'll sit out and wait for it to slow down later in the day or in the afternoon. You got all day to trade. So we start the Auto Trader while it's in a uptrend. It's got the green background, and then gets a little trend change. We get some profit on the way down. Our trail stop kicks in, takes us out, and then we get a strong reversal to the upside. First 2 targets are hit, and we're pretty much over halfway to our profit goal. And then the 3rd contract, trail stop takes it out at the top there, and then it gets short, the Auto Trader, and we hit our goal. So that's the power of automation. Automated trading. As a regular trader, you probably would have got short, and then it flipped on you. You would have missed the long run, and then you probably would have hesitated on the next move down and missed that. So with the power of automation in automated trading, it can help you overcome the frustration of missing trades and then chasing them, especially if you trade the NQ. We have this thing dialed in where, you know, it works great. You know, the Auto Trader's been out now for, I think, over 6 years. Spent 2 years developing it, and we have a lot of happy customers. Works. So let's look at, so we had a nice run on that trade, and then we sit out the market, let the market do its thing, wear itself out, get a feel for the market on the next trade, because we have one winner, we want to have another one, and we're going to see if the trend changes and starts to trend down or trend up. And so usually you don't want to jump into a trade with the Auto Trader, you know, right after you just had one. You want to sit back a couple minutes and watch the market, and that's what we did. So here's the trade here. 10 o'clock time frame is a good time to trade. So if we hit a good trade the first 20 minutes of the open, say from 9 9:45 to 10, or 9:35 to 9:45. We'll wait till after 10 o'clock to do the next trade, because in all of our trading that works. Okay, no need to jump in a trade right away after you just nailed one for 700 bucks. So this trade, we're using the same settings, same profit goal, no need to change them. I like going for 800 goal over 1,000, as I know I can hit it. Probably hit the 1,000 too, but it's just what I do. Every trader is different. Some people like to hit, $300 goals, and they don't want to go for 800 or 1,000. So, but with this fast market in NQ, it's more than likely you can do it. So this is our second trade of the day. We just missed the downtrend. As you see, this is a pretty fast market, moving pretty quickly. And it sells off some, no worries. It's going to reverse. It reverses, hits the first two contracts. Third one gets out by our trail stop. And then it takes a plunge and sells off to the lows. And our max gain, first two targets are hit, and then our max gain is hit. And we take our gains minus commission. Our net profit was $771. So that was a good trade, and this is a rather quick trade. Lasted a whole 3 minutes, and you gotta love those. And again, this goes to show you the power of automation. So the auto trader does everything for you. Now, say this reversed really quick, you missed it, and then you're hesitant of shorting this because you think it's going to go up this way, but it doesn't. It sinks, and then you want to get short here, manual trade, and then you hesitate, you miss it, and then the trade's over. Automation, it does it all for you, and it's much easier. So here's the strategy performance for that trade. Total net profit $771. Commission 23 bucks. Profit factor 99%. Sharp ratio, anything over 9 is excellent. And 100% winners, 3 long, 3 short. Largest winner 311. And this trade lasted under, it says here, under a minute, 26 seconds. So that's the power of automation right there. You can do one of those a day and call it a day. Come back, do it again. That would be that's why we developed the auto trader.
New visitor.
So on a monthly basis, as NinjaTrader calculated at 30 days, it's 23K. So let's look at the next trade. So we're on a roll 2 for 2, and you have to decide, do I want to keep trading? What's the market doing? So let's see what happens next. So remember what I just said, not hopping into a trade right away? Well, that's exactly the bonehead move I did. Sometimes you break the rules and you get stopped out here. So what happened here is, I started it, was in a downtrend. It had a nice little move up, and then a move down, and then back up. In probably less than 1 minute, I get whacked. And what happened here was some news came out, economic news, just after 10. I thought the news was all over, and I forget what the news were, consumer index or something, PPI numbers, I don't know. But some news came out, so that's why you got to pay attention to the news. And I listen to CNBC when I'm trading.
New visitor.
And so they were a little late in getting the news out, or there was a delay or something. Yeah, they Rick Santelli came on. He's like, I got no data feed. I got no data feed. And then next thing you know, it's released. And then whack-a-mole comes in. So basically, since I had a good trade on, I probably should have waited another 10 minutes or so because, you know, the news has to absorb in the market. So that's all I'm going to say. So I do wait another 10 minutes on the next trade. And let's look at that one. So we sit out the market till after 10:30, and the market had a little downtrend, and it gets a reversal here. It was downtrending for a good 10-15 minutes, so a reversal was due, as you can't keep the NASDAQ down, and we're still using the same profit goal. Gets long here on 3 contracts. First and second targets are hit, and then our trail stop gets us out right at the tippy top. How accurate is that? And then a trend reversal, it gets short in a matter of seconds. Boom, profit goal hit. 6 trades, 100% winners. So that's a nice rebound play. And we went with this, time frame. As closer we get to 11 o'clock, you get into the power hour, and then more volume comes into the market and pushes the price around. So a nice rebound play on the NQ there. And then here's our strategy performance for that trade. Basically, total net profit, commission, profit factor 99%, Sharpe ratio 9.5 is excellent. And 6 trades, 3 longs, 3 shorts, and the largest gain, the winning trade was 351. This whole trade lasted 2 minutes, and do that on a 30-day basis. And potential profit per month is 25K. So that was a very good trade. So after that trade, we got our stop loss back. So we decided to take a break, and we were good to go for the day. We made our gains, and no need to keep trading. However, we did come back in the afternoon after 1 and have this last trade. We lowered our goal to 600 because the market had slowed down a little. And that's what usually happens during the summertime in the afternoon hours. So we lowered our goal, and we catch a nice trend reversal. First 2 targets hit, and look at that trail stop. Third contract out at the low on the trail stop. Look how accurate that thing is. I got it dialed in. That's 2 in a row we nailed the bottom. And then we get a reversal, and up we go quickly, and then it kind of stalled out here. And so I tightened the stop, and I'm like, that's it. Summertime, call it a day, and we're done. So we netted another $396 minus commish. So that's it for today's trades in the NQ. So hope you enjoyed this video and the trading tips. And be sure to subscribe to our new newsletter, like I said at the beginning of the video, and like us on Facebook and Twitter, and follow us here on YouTube. Till next time, this is Patrick Ed Trader, Trading 123. Good luck with your trading.